working on the vehicle, and Dave got it to start. Go ahead. So we have a good working engine. Dave replaced the fuel pump, and he got the tank clean, and we got new batteries. Started right up like a champ, so we're real happy about that. And then, try not to make everybody dizzy. Been working on pulling off more paper. Have a little more on that wall. We're deciding the walls that don't have any paper damage we're going to leave. And the bathroom, I have most of that done in here that I need to take off. So we're getting there. I'm really excited. The fact that it runs makes us really happy. It looks like crap in here right now, I know, but I have some paper to pull up here.